Hey guys, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. We're located in Pine Hall, North Carolina. We are by appointment only, and the best way to reach me is 828-773-4500. So this is a 2002 Merhow Equistar 2-horse straight load gooseneck. This trailer was sold here on the lot to some local customers. They brought it back, traded it back for a 3-horse slant. They're including a little bit more horses on their property, so they upgraded to a 3-horse slant. This is a super solid, in excellent condition 2-horse straight load gooseneck. So again, it is an 02 Merhow. It is aluminum sheeting, steel frame. Pretty sure has a pressure treated wood floor. I'll check that here in just a few minutes. So a couple of things about it. It's got a spare, white in color with the old Merhow graphics. That's the old Merhow logo there. 2 full escape doors. So 2 full escape doors. It's got a ramp with Dutch doors on the back, sliders on the rear. It does have slider windows in the escape doors. Pretty good shape considering there's no major damage to the outside of the trailer. So it does have the rear ramp. It's got nice rubber on it in great shape. 7'6" tall, it's about 6'4" wide. It does still have all the padding in great shape. It does have the head divider, roof vents, again sliders on the rear. Again, all the padding is in great shape in this trailer. It's like new. It does have the chest pieces that are padded, and it does have the rear bars. So excellent shape. It does have a dressing room. A little bit of stain, I don't know about stain. A little bit of discoloration here on the back. You can kind of see it when I zoom out. Again, 2 full escape doors. It does have a dressing room. The dressing room is carpeted in great shape, has no issues. Actually, the walls are lined. 2 windows in the nose here. He made, actually the guy that owned it before made these long bars for blankets, which I think are great. 2 saddle racks, brush box, and it does have bridle hooks. Does have the vent. So it does have the added vent in the dressing room. Again, 2 full escape doors. Kind of gives you another look on the inside. All right, guys, so this is a 2002 Merhow 2-horse straight load gooseneck. Great using trailer, great runaround trailer, excellent shape for its age, solid. This is Ashley. This is Carolina Trailer Sales. Best way to reach me, 828-773-4500. You guys have a great day.